Hi guys, welcome to Coder RAM, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you a new AI model announced by OpenAI, and this model is called Sora. So what is the capability of this model? This model can generate a videos from your text. If you want to generate a minute of video, just write your thoughts into a beautiful prompts, and this model will generate a beautiful videos from your thought. And when this model will launch in the markets, it's going to break through, it's going to destroy every content creator. I mean, it's not going to destroy the content creator, it's going to make a lot of content creators. And that's mean anyone with their realistic thought can create a videos of a minute. And here you can see they are showing that if you give a prompt like a stylish woman to walk down a Tokyo street filled with a warm glowing neon, and this model will generate a photorealistic videos that you can see here. Now as you can see here, it's amazing, it seems very real. So if you are going to shoot this kind of video, it's going to take a time, but using this Sora you can generate within a minute, and that's amazing. But this model is still in development phase, so we can't access it right now. Now here you can see you can generate a historical videos, like here historical footage of California during the gold rush, and now you can see how the old this video appears. And this model has a capable to generate a complex scenes with multiple character, specific type of motion, and accurate details of subject and background. This model understands not only what the user has asked for in the prompt, but also how those things exist in the physical world. Like if you give a prompt, this model will understand this video should appear as a physical world. Considering that, this model will generate a videos, or even this model has a deeper understanding of language that enables to accurately understand the prompts and generate compelling characters that express vibrant emotions. So Sora can also create multiple shots within a single generated video that accurately persist characters and visual styles. Like you can see here, this is the tour of an art gallery with many beautiful works of art in different style you can see here. Now, this model has some weakness and it may struggle with accurately simulating the physical of complex scene. Like you can understand here, if you say a person might take a bite of a cookie, but afterward, the cookie may not have a bite mark. So this is all about a Sora, and we are waiting for this, and this is going to change a filming things. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.